so blessed with this great success. Do you know, this is the first time in my life to earn this recognition in the United States. Please give me some support. Thank you very much. I have been struggling for networking business for 10 years in Hong Kong. Do you know why? Because Hong Kong is not a city for MLM. Even many big American companies fail in Hong Kong. But until I find Brain, I have a great success. It's totally changed my life. I want to share, 2.5 years ago, I'm so lucky and so blessed. I discovered the power of Brain Soul. I made a big decision. I devote myself in brain business. I started to run a center to start a business in Hong Kong, because at that time, Hong Kong only have one staff with a very small office. No marketing materials, no event, no kick-off function. Everything is nothing. But because of my determination and dedication, I treasure the result of these 2 years. I want to share to all of you, now I am physically, spiritually, and financially very healthy. Right now, my business expanded to different countries, like America. I got a few hundred members in America. Wow, wonderful. And even to Philippines, China, and Taiwan. I can see I have a very bright future in rain. Okay, finally I want to express my gratitude to my team members, my associates, of course, my top management in rain families. But most of all, I would like to thank Susie Koh, because Susie bring me into rain. Okay, finally, may all of us have happiness, have wellness and prosperity through Brain Soul. Thank you.